Grandfather, please tell me, do you think Mithai deserves this honor? No. Grandmother should welcome them.
Listen, Mithai. Why are you saying all this? It's true that all of us address you by your name, but you are our sister-in-law. Me, Nipa, Shri, all of us consider you as our sister-in-law. What's it, Nipa?
Mithai, why are you crying? You always support us unconditionally. You are our true sister-in-law.
Are you done? Are you finished crying? Mithai, you will welcome them. Got it? Listen, I have done offerings to the Lord. Let's go and offer it to the deity together.
Okay, I'll go and get the shopping done quickly, okay?
Mithai, I will go and change.
Did we say anything for which he should shed tears?
No. I was just thinking. Everybody's showering so much respect on me. Why are they doing it? Our marriage is a sham. Then how can I be their sister-in-law? If Tursa hears all this, she'll think I'm purposely doing it so that our marriage doesn't fail, so that Siddharth gets trapped. Grandfather's grandson will get trapped. Mithai can't tolerate this insult.
Look, Mithai, if you don't wish to perform this ritual, then don't do it. But don't stand here before me and talk nonsense, please. Everybody in this family knows that I don't believe in this institution of marriage, so don't cry about it, all right? Because it won't gain anything. And I don't understand, why are you dragging Tess into all this? Tess is not even present here. How will she know? Look, Mithai, don't do unnecessary drama to garner sympathy, please. It's a request. Shri will be here anytime. Go and get ready. Look, Mithai, don't do unnecessary drama to garner sympathy, please.
Hello! Where are all of you? Grandma, Grandpa, Rajiv Kumar is here with your granddaughter and grandson-in-law.
Where are Shri and Ratul? All of you come here quickly. Sushma, Nipa, Sandeep, Siddharth, we have to welcome them. Please come fast.
Welcome.
My, Mithai will welcome them.
Grandma, how is this possible?
Why not? Nipa and Sandeep said that they consider Mithai as their eldest sister-in-law. Moreover, Shri considers that, so Mithai will welcome them. Go, Mithai, perform the
Grandma,
rituals.
where's the conch shell? I will blow it. Okay, it's over there.
Sandeep,
What?
I can't express in words how happy I am. Okay, Grandma, Sandeep and I will make the auspicious
What?
sound. Okay?
Yes.
Mithai, start with a son-in-law.
Start.
Hey, wait, careful.
Easy.
I knew you would mess up. Grandpa, tell your genius not to cause any accident here. There's a lamp. Shri is wearing a silk sari.
It's okay, don't be angry. You managed everything.
Grandfather, Mithai never broke anything in her life. Lord always saves Mithai. When will your grandson understand this?
It's okay. It's okay. Go in, welcome them. Go.
Brother Ratul, please pull your head down so I can.
Anything for you, Mithai.
Take this, grandmother. Did you see, sister, how beautifully I performed the rituals? Mithai loses her balance when the angry son of your family is before her. That's all.
Balance. The word is balance. I'm seriously going crazy. Mithai, you need to pronounce the words properly. And why were you all laughing? Please tell me. All of you are purposely mispronouncing the words.
Siddharth, please stop scolding. Mithai, thank you. I can't tell you how happy I am. Thank you so much for welcoming me.
Welcome. Come in, please.
Welcome, Ratul. Welcome. I officially welcome you to the Manohara house. It's okay. My child, it's okay. It's okay.
Bless you. May Shri fill your life with joy.
Well, I mean, Grandpa, isn't it the norm to seek the blessings of all the elders present here? What about the rest of the elders present here? Aren't they important?
Ooh.
I mean, they have an elder brother, but they can't even notice him. You know what, Grandpa? The young generation doesn't follow traditions.
Shall I touch your feet?
What?
Shall I touch your feet? Hope you don't run away.
I'll definitely touch Rajiv's feet.
I mean, no, I was joking. What is this?
No, stop.
Catch him,
no,
catch
please,
him.
no.
Stop him.
Hey, catch him, come on.
Oh my.
Hey, stop.
Wait.
What is this? Leave me alone.
No.
Okay.
Touch his feet.
Here.
I'll also touch your
is
feet. Now you have learned a good lesson.
Okay, Shri, listen to me. I did this so that you seek Siddharth's blessing. Go and see what he has to say about it.
Hey,
Go.
Brother Rajiv, what are you doing?
Go.
Don't do this. A lot has happened in this house since
I
morning.
don't
You're
want to
not
hear
aware
it.
of anything.
What are all of you discussing over there? Look, Sister Shritama, we have to go to untie the knot.
Oh Lord, Mithai has become an expert homemaker. She has welcomed them and she has to do this, isn't it?
But before we do anything, I'll seek Sid's blessings. What do you say, Grandpa?
Yes, you must do it. After all, he is your elder brother.
Shri, have you lost your mind? You used to treat me casually before marriage and today you want to touch my feet and seek my blessings? And all of you, can you stop pulling my leg, please?
Are you sure I shouldn't touch your feet?
Do you know what, Sister Shritama? Your brother is very stingy.
What?
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 Yes. He'll have to bless you if you touch his feet. And so he's scared.
All of you, please stop faking that you are scared. Please. All of you are having fun, right? Look, Shri, make it clear to her that I've always wished my sister's well-being. Look, I cannot bless you. I'm not worthy of it, but Grandma and Grandpa will definitely bless you. I'll just say that I want you to rise in life. And I want you to be successful in life. It's very important to be successful to achieve anything in life. Look, I want you to create an identity for yourself. And I know you can do it, Shri. That's all I wanted to say. Be happy.
Lord, give some sense to Siddharth. Please make him understand that Brother Radul doesn't like this kind of conversation. Brother Radul feels that Siddharth is taunting him. How can he be so stupid?
Ratul, sit on the wooden seat now. You also sit. We need to blow the conch shell.
I'll do it.
Nanda, have you lost your mind? You made Sri wear her wedding sari. But you didn't tell Ratul to wear his wedding attire? As per the rituals, they must wear their wedding attire and untie the knot.
Actually, do you know what happened, Grandma? His wedding attire wasn't in the condition to be worn, that's why. Actually, we didn't know that we would come here today, right? That's why. The shops were closed, so I couldn't give it to the laundry. But see here, I have brought the wedding veil. Isn't that enough?
Yes. That's sufficient. Grandmother, what do we have to
Mom?
do?
See, I'm late. Have you finished observing all the rituals?
I was wondering why the house seemed so quiet all this while. No, my mom, darling. We didn't start as you were not present here.
Auntie, thankfully you have arrived. Please tell me the rituals we are supposed to observe.
That's right. Appa, untie the knot first and then we will untie the thread on their hand.
Mithai? I heard that you welcome them. Mithai, come and untie the knot.
Sister Nanda, please hold this.
I have married you as per rituals, Ratul. So we have to get the divorce. That's because after the divorce, after 1 year, I'll unite you with Nipa.
Grandmother, what shall I do with this?
Give it to Shri. Shri, keep it carefully. This knot should always be strong and tight. I'll pray to the Lord that you are blessed all your life.
I don't understand why they are observing so many rituals. Don't they understand that Shri is not happy with this marriage? I must speak with her. She's ruining her life.
Mithai, get up. Excuse me. Ratul, give me your hand. What's this? Where's the thread that was tied on your wrist? Nanda? Didn't you tell Ratul he was supposed to come to his marital home and get the thread untied by Shri?
Well, actually, I didn't know that, Ratul. Ratul, did you remove it?
No, Nanda. I tore it off by mistake. I didn't
Why are
know.
you taking the blame on yourself? Grandma, I removed the thread from my hand. I was feeling uncomfortable. I didn't know that I can't take it off.
Oh Lord, what is this? Why has the thread been removed? Oh Lord, did none of you notice it? What are you all doing? No. This is a bad omen.
Oh no, what will happen now?
There's no option now. Mom, listen to me. The thread came out of Ratul's wrist during the pre-wedding rituals. Don't worry about it. Ratul, untie the thread on Shri's wrist. Shri has taken care of everything till now. Let her observe all the rituals.
Give me your hand. Brother Ratul, hold sister's hand. Listen, Mithai has a plan. I'll make a new sweet in honor of brother Ratul and sister Shritoma. If everybody likes the sweet, I'll convince grandfather to sell the sweet in our shop. So what do you say about this new plan? Tell me.
Yes. Mithai, what I want is you should make a special sweet which will make Ratul and Sritoma's life very sweet. Mom, darling, go and check what grandma is doing. What happened? There's no need to panic. Such small incidents always are common in life. Ratul's life is not ordinary like that of Rajiv. Because Ratul's life is very special. They don't bother about petty things like some thread. Please don't be upset.
Grandfather, check if I kneaded the cheese properly.
Dad, if Mithai is done with kneading the cheese, then come here. For how long will I cook the
Oh
mutton?
no. How can I handle so many things single-handedly? I'll be in charge of things here.
Grandpa, I'm really jealous to see how important you are. Mom, darling, can see that you're busy checking how the sweet is being made, yet she did not bother to call me.
How can she call you? Tell me. She can never dare to do it. What if the mutton gets over while tasting it then?
You are absolutely right, Nanda. Rajiv won't be happy with one piece of mutton.
I will slap you hard. You don't know how to behave with your son-in-law? You say anything to Rajiv.
Right, Grandma, you should scold her. The mother and daughter duo treat me like I'm a demon or something. Okay, tell me honestly, do I really eat a lot?
No, Rajiv. I know your appetite very well.
Right. Listen, did you hear that? Shri is on my side. Got it?
Yeah, sure.
Mithai, I think the cheese is perfect. The sweet will be nice. What shall you do now?
Grandpa, I think you won't be able to give your attention to anything else other than this sweet. So I have to take the responsibility of tasting the meat.
Yes, that's better. You take the charge of the kitchen while I check the sweets, okay? Mithai, what shall you do now?
Let me check, come on.
What do you want to check?
Wow. Where is it? Yes. Can I taste the meat?
Okay. All of you, please keep quiet. I think that Mithai is attentively thinking of something.
It's hot. Be careful.
Mom, darling, one piece isn't sufficient to understand the taste.
Did you see that, Mom?
This
I
one?
told you.
Here.
What's the matter? What did you discover, genius? A medicine for cancer or a new galaxy?
Did you hear what he said, Grandfather?
okay.
I'm trying to
It's okay.
But you see, I tried to concentrate, but your grandson disturbed me. It is not easy to discover a new
Of
sweet.
course not. How can a person who loves bitter gourd know anything about sweets? Just ignore him and concentrate. Pay attention to what you are doing.
Let her pronounce the word concentration properly, and then she can concentrate. Useless.